Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science Contest. This is a grade 11 chemistry Avogadro contest question, and in it asks for the volume of 0.123 mole per liter aqueous sulfuric acid is needed to neutralize 40 milliliters of a 0.175 mole per liter aqueous sodium hydroxide solution. Give it a try, and I'll be right back with the solution. Okay, so let's look at what we know. We know that the sulfuric acid has a molarity of 0.123 m, where that capital M is moles per liter. And we also know that the molarity of sodium hydroxide is 0.175 moles per liter. And the volume is going to be 40 milliliters. Alright, well, if we want to go between products or reactants in our equation, we can't use molarity or concentration. We can't use volume. We have to use moles because that's how we count the number of molecules. So we're going to have to first determine how many moles of sodium hydroxide we have. In the equation for a number of moles, N, is your concentration times your volume. So your concentration in this case is 0.175 molar, which is moles per liter, multiplied by volume, which we need to change from milliliters into liters. So divide by 1,000 and we have 0.04 liters. When we do that, we get 0.007 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now that we have the number of moles of sodium hydroxide, we can do our stoichiometry to convert to the number of moles of our sulfuric acid. So let's do our mole ratio, meaning we have a 2:1 ratio, and that is going to equal the number of moles of sodium hydroxide, which we just calculated to be 0.007 moles of NaOH, all divided by this one here, which is related to the number of moles of our sulfuric acid, which I will write as N for H2SO4. Alright, we can rearrange by cross-multiplying. So the number of moles of H2SO4 is simply 0.007 divided by 2, which gives us 0.0035 moles. Alright, now it wants to know what volume, and since we already know the concentration, and now that we know the number of moles, we can go back to this same equation, but we'll rearrange it for volume, where volume is going to equal the number of moles over the concentration, which in this case is 0.0035 moles, over the concentration, which is 0.123 moles per liter, which gives us a volume of 0.0285 liters, or if we multiply by 1,000, we get 28.5 milliliters, or our answer is A.